Hello guys, it's AlexTheGrumpyOne again, and this is another video on another Toyota key. Sorting out another vehicle for family while I'm on holidays. So this is another key fob replacement. This is from Toyota RAV4, but you can have them on the Avensis, or Yaris or Auris. So there you go. It's nice and easy. It's a flat blade screwdriver. There's a little cut in there. So just twist it and it opens it up. As you can see there, just a little twist, it's all plastic. That comes off. Then you get the insides. That comes out. And make sure the buttons stay in the same place where they're supposed to be. Got two buttons there, a little bit of rubber, so that stays in there. And now you're gonna have a little space there to get a screwdriver behind it, and pop that open as well. And there we go. There's your battery. It's another 2016. So you can see there, 2016, this one's a bit dirty. So you get a screwdriver behind it. And out it goes. Nice and easy. And to put it back in, it's pretty much the same thing. Make sure the side ones open up. And push the battery back in. Cover back on it. Oh, like that. Cover back on, make sure it's all closed. And like I said, locate the rubber in. Make sure the buttons, you can only put it back in one way. As you can see, there's a cut. So put that back in there. Make sure the buttons feel good. And place the cover back on. Just squeeze it on. And there you go. There's the LED working, so the battery is good. And that's it, guys. So obviously check it with your car if it's unlocking and locking. Like I said, the light is working, so it should be fine. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this, guys, and I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. If you got any questions, please ask me, comment below, and like my videos. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.